In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to Xero Invoices. A clean, consistent logo on your invoices helps customers recognize your business at a glance and makes your documents look professional. Before we start, have your logo file ready on your computer. A PNG or JPEG works well. If you have a version with a transparent background, even better. Aim for a clear, high-resolution image that isn't too large in file size so it uploads quickly. Once you're signed into Xero, move to the top of the screen and open the menu with your name or initials. This is the account menu where you manage organization settings. From that menu, choose Settings. That takes you to the place where you control how your documents look and behave. Next, find and open Invoice Settings. This is where the branding for your sales documents lives. You'll see your current branding theme and a preview of how invoices appear to your customers. Look for the option to upload a logo and select Upload Logo. Xero will prompt you to choose a file from your computer. Click Browse or Choose File, then navigate to your logo. As a quick tip, square or horizontal logos usually fit best, and leaving a bit of clear space around the edges prevents it from looking cramped on the page. After you've selected the file, click Upload. Xero will process the image and show it in the invoice preview. Take a second to check that it looks crisp and not blurry. If it doesn't look right, cancel and pick a higher resolution version or simplify the design so small text is readable. Dark logos typically work well on white invoice backgrounds. If your logo is very light, consider using a darker version for better contrast. That's it. The logo is now part of your invoice branding. From here on, any new invoices you create with this branding theme will automatically display your logo. If you use multiple branding themes, remember that each theme can have its own logo. So repeat the same upload inside the other theme when needed. To quickly confirm everything is set, open or create a draft invoice and check the preview on the right. You should see your logo in place. You can fine-tune the result by adjusting the image outside Xero if needed. For example, reduce the height slightly so the logo doesn't dominate the header, or add padding to the canvas to create breathing room. Save those changes to a new copy of the file, then repeat the same browse and upload process until the preview looks the way you want. Thanks for watching. With your logo uploaded, your invoices will look polished, on brand, and ready to send.